welcome back to my face. I'm Bonnie Helen here, and I'm back again with another video. First off, I want to thank everybody who has joined the family. I can see all the new subscribers. You're welcome to this space. Here we try to empower ourselves by doing things that can fetch us money, by taking care of our skin and living that beautiful life that we want to live. We encourage each other. So today I was scouting around and I was looking for alternative, like other ways to make soap but not spend a lot on oils. All of us know that oils are very expensive. So I was looking for a cheaper way and a cheaper oil. So I came across this tallow. So tallow is practically beef fat or any animal fat, and it is cheaper. So you just need to go to the butcher or to any slaughterhouse, ask them to gather all the fats for you, and you give them a token. Like what I have, I just gave that man a token of 1,000, and trust me, you're going to see the whole process. You're going to see how many liters of oil I'm going to get from this tallow, from this animal fat. So what you do is, just when you bring it home, just rinse it off and put it into your pot. Let it steam for about, let's say, 10 to 20 minutes, and then you get it off, because mine was really, they were really big. The chunks were really big, they were not small. So I got into my mortar and I started pounding it so that I can break the pieces down and then release more fat. That's basically what I was doing. And you see, as I'm trying to like pound on the fat, because some of the fat is inside something like a sack, like a nylon, which is not a nylon. So the fat was coated, so I needed to like break it down. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm breaking it down, and you can see oil is coming out, and we have more in the pot. So what you do is just boil and keep extracting the oil. Keep extracting the oil. See, this particular tallow is really nice for soap making, because it will give your soap that hardness. You know, when you don't want your soap to be soft, there are other chemicals that can make your soap to be strong. But with this, you are getting a win-win. You are getting a strong bar, and you're also getting oil for your soap. You understand? It makes the bar really strong. So that's it. Just go ahead and you strain your oil. I keep straining it. And another way, if you don't want to like stay long in the kitchen, after pounding it, you see the water, just go ahead, strain the water and keep it somewhere for it to rest. By the time you come back, about, let me say, in 4 hours or 5 hours, the oil must have come up, the water goes down, and the oil will be really strong that you can just go ahead and just scoop it up, and then you remove your oil. Then that was shortening the time, because that's what I did. And then I replaced now the cow fat that I was pounding in the mortar. I replaced it back into this pot, and you can see it's frying now. You see it's frying and more oil is coming out. And for this production, I got about 7 to 8 liters of oil. Honestly, you're going to see it. I got about 7 to 8 liters of oil. Just imagine I spent just 1,000 francs to get this much oil for soap making, and it is cheap. What I just do is I'll mix it up with another soft oil, because this one is really hard. You cannot just use only it to make your soap. Your soap will be like stone, so you have to mix it up. So see, I'm straining the oil. I'm straining my oil to remove all those residues and the rest, and you have your beautiful animal fat oil. Like, it's so cheap. Just go to the slaughterhouse, tell them that you need the fats, they'll gather it up for you, and you just come and do it the way I did it. Just wash it, put it in the pot, boil, and the oil will come out itself. If you have lots of water in it, just go ahead, strain the water, keep it somewhere. It will still release oil that you can come and remove, and then you fry the rest until you have no water left, and go ahead and strain it. And happy soap making. Maybe on the next video, if you like, on the next video I will show you how to make soap with tallow. See, these cosmetic brands, they use tallow to do some of their cosmetic products. I've even seen where somebody made candle with tallow, because it's really hard. It's really a hard oil. So happy soap making. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, do me well to subscribe to this channel. Join the family and let's grow together. Thank you and bye bye.